What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What we're going to do today, we're going to go over Tuesday's game plan. So before we jump into these charts, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. All right, family. Today was a grind kind of day. I told you earlier in the morning it was going to be kind of like this. We had that little burst of energy to start off the morning, but then they just kind of played games for the rest of the day. Gave us a little bit of downside, then tried to boom it back up and then start running back down. That is what's to be expected whenever you have a Fed week. You got Fed Powell on deck on Wednesday. This is what happened whenever we get a sighting of Fed Powell. So probably going to have more of this tomorrow as we get closer to when he comes out. Stay patient, no FOMOing, and only jump into things that you clearly see as a trend to the upside or the downside, or after key areas of interest get taken out. That's when you pounce. If it doesn't go, or if it doesn't fall within your plan, you sit tight. You don't even worry about the rest. You sit and wait for a clear direction, and then you get busy. Newbies, beginners, where y'all at? We're going to go ahead and start it off with TSLL. With this one right here, they're sitting at 1293. If you are a bull in this one, you want to see them open somewhere around 1305. If they can do that, next level up, they're going to try to shoot it up to these tops right here at 1325 before the continuation to the upside. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than these bottoms right here, 1280. They can do that right there. Next level down, they're going to try to shoot this thing to 1250. So there you go in that ticker right there. Next ticker up, advanced traders, y'all come on up. I'm going to go ahead and throw Palantir on the charts for you. They're sitting at 141.65. If you are a bull in this one, you want to see them open somewhere around this 141.90. If they can do that right there, they're going to slow grind this up to these middles right here, 142.60. Then boom, you got these tops right here, 143.30. That will be a heavy level. Expect the bears to try to smack it right back down at that level. They got to get past that. If they can get past that, they can start chopping this thing up to this stuff up in here at 144.80 before another break to the upside. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than 141.20. If they can open lower than 141.20, they're going to shoot their shot all the way back down to this 140 even area before trying to pull this thing back. Next level down, you got 132.50, you got 137.85, and then boom, you got 137.15 on deck. So there you go in Palantir. Next ticker up, we're going to go ahead and throw NVIDIA on here. They're sitting at 144.60. If you are a bull in this one, you want to see them open at 145 or higher. If they can do that, next level up is going to be 145.55, and then boom, they're going to shoot their shot up to 146.15. So there you go to the upside. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than 144.05. They can do that. Next level down is going to be these tops over here at 143.40. Next level down, you got 142.85 on deck. There you go in NVIDIA. Big baller shot callers, where y'all at? I got a couple for you guys as well. We're going to throw the SPY on here. As you see, they're sitting at 602.90. This one gave us that nice little move to the upside, and then they came back down. They were trying to get to, I had a level 604.90. They started pulling back and they came all the way back down. As you see, they respected the 200 EMA. They're grinding back up. Every time they got down to it, they bounced it back up. Innocent into proven guilty. They start losing that 200. Then we looking at bearish plays. So right now, if you are a bull, you want to see them open somewhere around 603.70. They can do that right there. They're going to run this thing back to test that 604.45, and they're going to run that thing up to 604.95 before they try to break loose and get that breakout going to the upside. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than 601.65. They can do that right there. You got an area of interest at 601.05, then boom, you got 620 on deck. So there you go in the SPY. Next ticker up, we're going to throw Tesla on here. Tesla sitting at 329.10, and this one right here, bulls Bulls is still in striking range. As you see, they respected that 200 EMA down here. So again, innocent until proven guilty. Bulls can still smack this thing. They can still bounce this thing up higher. They need to get through this level right here, 333.05. They can do that. Next level up, boom, you got 336.80. Got some turbulence up in here at 333.45. A little bit of turbulence till 339.80, and then boom, they're going to blow this thing up, 347.20. To the downside, you want to see us open lower than these bottoms right here, 327.15. If they can do that right there, then the bears can start getting busy in here. You got 325.55 on deck, and then you got these bottoms right here, 323.30. The bulls can try to smack that thing back up at that area right there. That will be a heavy level. Consider that a bottom, a double bottom, once they start pushing it down to that level. So, all right, family, next ticker we're going to throw on there, we're going to throw a little favorite out here that everybody's playing. You see they were up $11 on the day. Ticker symbol CRWV. And this one right here, if you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than 157.60. If they can do that, next level up, boom, they're going to run it up to 158.50 before continuation to the upside. To the downside, simple. You want to see them open lower than these bottoms right here, 153.20. They can do that right there. Next level down is going to be an attempt at 148.30 and routes back down to these bottoms at 143.20. All right, family, that's a few different tickers for you to put on your radar. And once you start seeing those areas of interest get taken out, you know how to move. And of course, if we get any news drops, anything that could make the market pump like crazy or either dump because of war talks, tariffs, or any of that other stuff, you already know. If you're in the Discord, that stuff would be updated first thing in the morning before the market opens. So, but for everybody else that's not watching, that's not in the Discord, get in the Discord. That way you got access to my full list of morning call outs as well as the technical analysis breakdowns on the top plays throughout the session. Guys, I done took enough of your time, but hey, if you like sniper tight, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir, HUT, Hood, Nike, go ahead and tap into the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it.